if you really want to save the environment, just be prepared to die. Because according to latest reports, nearly 116 environment activists were killed over hydropower, agribusiness or mining by police lathis during protests or hired murderers. So if throughout the year you've been really busy just like me, I can totally understand. But at least on 5th June, you have to show that you care. It's World Environment Day. And the theme this year is 7 million dreams, 1 planet, consume with care. So ladies and gentlemen, कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि 2050 तक if we continue to eat, drink and marry the way we do, the population will reach 9.6 billion and we will need 3 extra planets just to sustain ourselves. जितनी धरती है बस केवल उतना ही पैर फैलाइए. Otherwise you are doomed. Watch this and get scared. Really scared. But what I don't understand is why blame me? I'm a vegetarian, I cannot afford an AC or a car, and then in return, I'm getting all the pollution inside of me. Thank God for my lungs, otherwise I would not know where to put all that धुआं. सारी गलती मेरी नहीं है, तो सारा काम मैं क्यों करूं? Simple सी philosophy है, अपना काम बनता, भाड़ में जाए जनता. But if Ramesh Agarwal, environment activist, had thought like this, today Chhattisgarh's mineral-laden grounds worth crores would be a businessman's coal mines and the farmers would be miserable, hungry. It was because of his efforts that the Indian government cancelled a huge Steel King का project, जो otherwise पूरी country में देश का झंडा गाड़ते फिरते हैं. You know who I'm talking about, right? But Ramesh Agarwal had to pay a huge price. 2 gunmen उनकी दुकान में घुसे, उनके पैर पर गोली मारी. Today, 58-year-old Ramesh is still recovering from that attack. But Ramesh Agarwal has not given up. He continues to fight for the villagers and the environment. Or internationally, he's been recognized for it. He's got the Goldman Environment Prize, which is the highest award, by the way. But you know, as far as I'm concerned, I can eat synthetic food. I can murder biodiversity for my daily dose of meat, fish and chicken. I can even eat dust and germs. But eating a bullet, now that's a different story altogether. So the question is, how do I save my environment? So if you think getting lost in a forest with a map and a compass is hard, try making sense of biodiversity, deforestation, sustainable development. Technically, घर बैठे environment बचाने के लिए मेरे पास 2 brilliant solutions हैं. The first option is tree hugger. No, it does not mean you go hug a tree and it's Happy Environment Day for you. It means you go check it out. It's the BAP of all environment blogs. Actually, Discovery Channel liked it so much that they bought it for a cool $10 million. This is where you check them out. And the other option was given to me by my 11-year-old. Very simple. Reduce, reuse, recycle. ज़रूरी नहीं है हर बार बेच दे.